All right, good people, thanks for joining me. Today we're gonna do something on this griddle. Blackstone Griddle, this is a little small one. Put it in the back of the truck, put it in the back of the car, take it wherever you wanna go. But today we're gonna wrap up some fish, but we're not gonna just do any kind of wrap. We're gonna do some Cedar grilling wrap fish. The good folks at Western Premium Barbecue sent me some of these to play around with. I've actually never used them on a griddle, so that's what we're gonna do today. So y'all stay tuned. We gonna grill wrap some fish, baby. Yeah, boy! First, let's open them up. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. First things first, actually, let's turn the griddle on. I've got it on high. I just want it on high so it'll go ahead and heat up. Won't take me as long to cook. But if you pull them out, you get a bunch of them. I don't know how many that is. There may be about 12 to 10 or 12. And you get some string. So I'm going to use one of them. You know what? Let's do two of them. Yeah, I'm gonna do two of them. I'll put these to the side. And we got some string that will come in handy later on down the way. So let's go ahead and get into it. I was at the International Farmers Market and I found some swai Basa fillets. I've had this before. To me, kind of tastes like catfish, but not as firm. So I was gonna fry this later on this evening, but hell, why not throw it on the Blackstone and see what we come up with. And this bag does not want to cooperate, so we'll just fast forward right on through this. All right, and if you notice, it's kind of the same texture as catfish. Kind of looks just like it, but you can tell when you bend it, it's just not as firm as catfish. So this is what we're gonna do. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this shrimp paste right here. I also got this from the International Farmers Market, and hopefully you can see it. This stuff right here, I added to fried rice. Man, let me tell you something. Forget going to the Chinese restaurant getting your fried rice. Find you some of this shrimp paste. My God, man. This is the secret weapon to fried rice. But this is what I'm gonna do with it. It has like soybeans and some other stuff in it, but it's oil base. So what I'm gonna do, I put gloves on so I wouldn't make a mess and cross-contaminate. So what I'm gonna do is just drizzle some on the fish. And this is what I'm gonna use as my oil base on this fish. But I'm also looking for this to really add some incredible flavor to this fish. This, if you don't know about shrimp base, please get in the know, man. That stuff is incredible, man. The 8 gloves. And the reason for these gloves, man, I don't want to cross-contaminate. Plus, I don't want to be smelling like shrimp paste all day. So this is what we're going to do. First and foremost, you always got to season your fish. I'm using my grilling dust. And I'm going to go on pretty heavy. Pretty liberal, rather, on both sides. Shrimp, this grilling dust is good. Got like cilantro and a bunch of other stuff in it. All right, we'll put that down there. Now, let's measure it out. I figure I'm going to take the whole, I'm just going to split it in half. Since I'm doing 2, let's split it down the middle. All right. So I went in and soaked my my cedar plank wraps. You want to make sure you soak them for about 5 minutes prior to using them so that they can be pliable like this. So I'm gonna put one right here, and I'll put my second one right here. And since they're already, pretty much infused with water, I'm gonna spray my fish real good with Pam cooking spray. And I will go over the bottom of them one time because I don't want the fish to stick. At the end of the day, I still want the fish to come out. So that's the first one. That's the second one. Let's get rid of this. Take this glove off. All right, so we've got both of our fish right here. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one right here. And as you can see, when you wet them, they're very pliable, which is what you want. Take your butcher's twine, come around the top of them, and let's tie that bad boy up. Tie it up as tight as you can. All right, that one's ready to go. Beautiful. Let's get back on our second one so we can hurry up and get them on the griddle. Same concept, make sure you cut enough string. And this one's gonna be a little short, but we're gonna make it happen. Good to go. And there they go. Next stop is the grill. All right, the griddle was hot. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down with some Pam. I just wanna make sure that I don't burn these too fast. And we're gonna go on with the first one. And we'll go on with the second one. I'm gonna turn my flat top down and we're gonna see how long it takes to cook them. So y'all stay tuned. Looking good so far. All right, they're cooking pretty good. They've probably been on there for a few minutes. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit though. I will tell you this though, man, that cedar smoke flavor is pretty nice. And you can tell, man, as soon as you put it on that griddle, and about a minute after you put it on that griddle, you can smell the intensity of that cedar and these cedar wraps, man. So again, they haven't even been on there 5 minutes yet. We're just gonna let them rizzo. They look good though. Smell even better. Y'all stay tuned. All right, folks, I just wanted to show you. This is the packaging for the grilling wraps. Cedar grilling wraps. You could definitely cook more than just fish in these things. I could definitely see these things putting some serious work on, you know, some chicken, boneless of course, and a number of things that can really benefit from cedar smoke. Cedar wrap salmon recipe on the back. I don't know if you can see with all this sun out here, but if you haven't tried them, man, give them a try. Give them a try. I want to thank Western for sending them to me. But enough talking, let's get back to the food. All right, I think it's time to flip them over. They've probably been on this side, maybe about 3 minutes on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. And as you can see, you can already see that it's starting to burn. Not burn, but it's really starting to, yeah, burn. It's starting to burn this cedar wrap, which is a good thing. That's what you wanna see. So I'm gonna let them sit on here. I'm gonna go another 3 minutes on the other side and see what we come up with. If they're not done, we're just gonna throw them back on. Yeah, boy. All right, let's take a peek at them. They have been on there probably a total of 10 minutes. Total. So I'm not gonna open them up. We're just going to touch them and see. Ooh, shit, that's hot. So I'm gonna flip that back over. And so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut my griddle off. And I'm just gonna let them sit on here for probably another 2 to 3 minutes. I think they're done. When I felt that it was real nice and, yeah, I think they're done. But I'm gonna let them sit here though. I'm gonna let them sit on this griddle for probably another 2 minutes. And then we'll unwrap and see what we got, baby. Y'all stay tuned. All right, let's give it a look. Let's see what we got here. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Yeah, let's flip it around and cut this up. And there we have it. One beautiful piece of fish. A little bit of that. Voila. Cedar wrap Basa with a shrimp paste and grilling dust, topped with a little lemon, and finished off with some scallions, baby. Let's dig in. Let's give it a try. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks good, man. That shrimp paste got it smelling real good. Y'all look at me when I do this. Let's try it. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Can you see me? I don't even know if you can see me. Oh, yes, sir-ree, Bob. You can taste the cedar. It's really good. But man, the lemon on there is nice as well. That lemon, let all its juices out, kind of cook down in the fish. But brother, that shrimp paste, If y'all don't know nothing about that shrimp paste, get on that shrimp paste, man. I'm gonna take a picture of it, and it'll be at the end of the video. I got it at the Buford Highway Farmers Market here in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh man, that fish is perfect. Man, that's some good eating. 5 minutes aside, I let it rest on the griddle while it was off for about 2 to 3 minutes. Total cook time probably about 12 to 13 minutes. But it's perfect. So y'all give it a try, man. Cedar plank, cedar grilling wraps, Western Wood Premium Barbecue is who's selling them. You can find them in pretty much all of your stores now, in your grocery stores. You will not be disappointed. Yeah, boy!